What are the benefits of using Thermomate Propane Gas Tankless Water Heater? Starts up with only 2.5 psi of water pressure, and up to 110 psi. It's ideal for RVs, campers, rural cabins, small apartments, flats, hunting cabins, as well as boats, sailboats, and mobile homes. 34,000 BTU-hour maximum power output. You can get instant endless hot water easily wherever you are. Our customers also use them for washing stalls, horse trailers, de-icing cars in the winter, outdoor camping, motels, small roadside restaurants, and other situations where endless and economical water heating is required and water pressure is available at 10 psi. This amazing instant water heater is designed for one point of use at a time. It delivers over 1.32 gallons per minute of hot water with a 77 degrees Fahrenheit rise in temperature. This means that if your tap water is at 59 degrees Fahrenheit, it will instantly deliver 1.32 gallons per minute of hot water at 113 degrees Fahrenheit. With remarkable electric pulse ignition technology that requires no standing pilot, the outstanding Thermomate gas water heater saves up to 25% in gas consumption when compared to older technology pilot-lighted units. Even if in case of a power outage or no power supply such as in RVs, campsites, boats and sailboats, you can still enjoy your hot water at home, as it uses 2D cell batteries to ignite the electronic spark module. It's designed by modern fashionable line shape, magnificent, thin-shaped and portable appearance. You can take it anywhere to get instant hot water.